your thought on what you're wearing, and when the team approached you for this association, how easy, how seamless, and yeah, how has the journey been?
So I'll just share a small story which I've told these guys. You've heard it multiple times, but let me tell you that so you'll know exactly how I felt when I got this opportunity. During my college days in Delhi, since I'm a Delhi girl, the fashion capital of the country, we always have these, okay, when you're in college, you're like, okay, I also want to have these designer brands in my closet, and you only know probably at that point only a handful of designers, and most of them end up being too heavy on your pocket, so you're always like, okay, when I have to wear something that elaborate, I will. But then this was one brand labeled by Ritu Kumar that was very savvy in terms of a girl going to college could afford it if I collected my pocket money well and could wear it and carry it off easily. So I ended up saving a lot of my pocket money, and the first ever designer piece that I owned during my college days was from label by Ritu Kumar. So you can now understand how I feel when I was walking. It's almost like a sense of accomplishment that you probably, it was the first thing you proudly owned, the first piece you proudly owned, and then you are here representing them on ramp. So I guess it's a sense of accomplishment and very proud feeling today. I think I've achieved something in life.
What do you think of the outfit that you're wearing?
This collection, it totally resonates with my personality, I feel, because I consider myself a pretty much regular girl next door kind of a personality, and someone who, yeah, obviously has certain opinions and stands for it and all. So the confidence, the femininity stays intact with the silhouette, but yet there is something very strong and rugged about the look that very beautifully mixes up with the drape and the fall of this silhouette. So something very beautiful about the mixture of this whole rough, rugged look with this whole feminine drape that goes along with it, which I feel I identify with. So yeah.
Okay.